French army physician who worked on malaria in 1578. Leviran. When was Plasmodium discovered? (1878 AD). Ronald Root performed experiments in which year? 1880. When did A.F.A. King present his observation? 1883 AD. Who is responsible for spread of malaria fever? Plasmodium. Malaria fever is caused by Plasmodium. If someone states Plasmodium is the cause of malaria, then all persons ill with malaria should have Plasmodium in their blood. This statement is deduction. What is Plasmodium? Protozoa. Where does the growth of Plasmodium occur? In liver. What is the cause of malaria in human beings? Anopheles. Female mosquitoes need the blood of dash for the maturation of eggs. Mammals. In sparrows, malaria is spread by Culex mosquito. Dengue fever is transmitted by Aedes mosquito. Anopheles mosquito cause our disease? Malaria fever. Freezing point of water is less than its boiling point. What type of observation is this?
Thanks for watching and do
Qualitative.
subscribe.